If you want to know how to edit text in an image using Photopea, this video is for you. I'm going to show you two simple methods, one for flat images like JPEGs and PNGs, and another for editable text layers in PSD or template files. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove old text and replace it with your own, quickly and cleanly. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the most common case, a text that is baked into a flat image. If the words are part of a JPEG or PNG, you cannot simply click and type over them like normal. Since the text is flattened into the picture, Photopea needs a different approach. The best way to handle this is to erase the old text first, then add your new text on top. To begin, open your image in Photopea. Once the file is loaded, look at the left toolbar and choose either the Lasso Tool by pressing L or the Rectangle Select Tool by pressing M. The Lasso Tool is great if the text area is uneven or curved, while the Rectangle Select Tool works well if the text sits inside a simple box shape. Your goal here is to make a selection that is as tight as possible around the text you want to remove. Take your time with this step. Try to select only the text and avoid grabbing too much of the background. The cleaner your selection, the better the final result will look. Once the text is carefully selected, go up to the top menu and click Edit, then choose Fill. On Windows, you can also use Shift plus F5. On Mac, use Shift plus Function plus F5 if needed. A pop-up window will appear. Inside that window, find the Source drop-down menu and change it to Content Aware. This is the key feature that allows Photopea to analyze the surrounding area and fill in the selected space naturally. Once Content Aware is selected, click OK. Photopea will now process the area and try to remove the text while blending the background into place. In many cases, this works surprisingly well, especially when the background is simple or lightly textured. After the fill is complete, you'll usually see that the old text is gone and the area looks much cleaner. Now you need to deselect the area so the marching ants disappear. On Windows, press Ctrl and D. On Mac, press CMD and D. That clears the selection line and gets your canvas ready for the next step. Now it's time to add your new text. Press T on your keyboard to activate the Type tool. Then click directly over the cleared area where the old text used to be. A text cursor will appear, and you can start typing your replacement words. Once your text is on the canvas, use the top options bar to fine-tune the look. Here you can change the font, adjust the font size, and pick a color that matches the rest of the image. If you want the edit to look seamless, pay attention to spacing, style, and alignment. Matching the original design as closely as possible will make the final result look much more professional. If the background is complicated, you may need to repeat the selection and fill process a little more carefully. But for most simple edits, this method works really well. It's one of the fastest ways to remove old text from a flat image inside Photopea. Now let's move on to the second method, which is for editable text layers in PSD files or design templates. This is the easiest situation because the text was created as a live layer, which means you can edit it directly without erasing anything. To check this, look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Find a layer with a square T icon as its thumbnail. That icon tells you the layer is editable text. If you see that, you're in luck because changing the wording is very straightforward. Select the Type tool again by pressing T, then go to the canvas and click directly onto the letters of the text you want to change. If you click correctly, your cursor will start blinking inside the text string. That means you're now editing the actual text layer, not just selecting an image. From here, simply delete the old word, type in your new wording, and make any spelling or spacing changes you need. This is perfect for updating names, dates, titles, captions, or any other text inside a template. When you're finished editing, press Ctrl and Enter on Windows or CMD and Enter on Mac to confirm the change and exit typing mode. Your edits will be saved instantly and the text layer will update on the design. So to quickly recap, if the text is flattened into a JPEG or PNG, use a selection tool, apply Content Aware Fill, and then type your new text over it. If the text is a live layer in a PD or template, just click the text, edit it directly, and save your changes. Both methods are easy once you know where to look. If this Photopea tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. And if you want more Photopea tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials, stick around because I've got more content coming that will help you edit faster and work smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.